Hey everyone, if you've just finished building your first ever computer, you will have come to the back of it and hopefully you will have plugged the HDMI or DisplayPort cable into the back of the graphics card, because of course the graphics card is the thing that actually renders your game graphics and things like that. So you need to connect your monitor directly to the HDMI or DisplayPort of the graphics card. But then you might have noticed the motherboard HDMI ports and wondered what the heck they were about. Well, basically those ports are if you have an integrated graphics part of your CPU. Maybe you just don't have a graphics card altogether, but if you do have integrated graphics on your CPU, like some of the AMD range, then when you actually plug a HDMI port into your motherboard, the actual onboard graphics of the CPU will kick in and render things to that. And what some people actually do is have multi-monitor setups, and actually maybe they plug one of them into their graphics card, and then the other HDMI port or other monitor into the actual motherboard. Some people actually do that. I mean, you don't need to, because if your graphics card, will often have like 3 or 4 ports, you should be able to put everything just through your graphics card port. But that is actually why motherboards have those HDMI ports, and you can use both. And this might seem like a simple, straightforward topic, but the purpose of this channel is that sometimes there are beginners out there who don't know this, and so that's why I wanted to cover this topic, is that yes, motherboards do have HDMI ports, and you probably shouldn't use them. You should probably use your graphics card ports, but there are some circumstances where you might want to use both. Or if you don't have a graphics card, then obviously you have to use your motherboard's HDMI ports, and that's what I do with one of my computers that doesn't have a graphics card, is I plug everything into the motherboard HDMI ports, and then the actual CPU's onboard graphics renders everything like the Windows desktop and everything else. I hope that all makes sense. If you have any further questions though, please leave me a comment. And if you did enjoy this video or found it useful, please click the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching.